Hello dear customer, this is Ivan from QRQ company. Today I would like to introduce our most popular products to you, that is the buttons. As you can see behind me, that is the display area of our buttons. So now follow my video and I will take a closer of them and I will introduce them to you. As you can see, we have the many different kind of the models, different kind of the buttons, and most of them are using for jeans. So now I will select some of them to showing to you. As you can see in my hand, I select a different kind of the model to show you. For example, this one we have the flexible part, and this one we have the plastic core, and we have the yellow one, we have the right plastic core, and also beside this we also have we call it single needle model. This one, that means with the hole in the middle, and also we have the double needle. The double needle, that means in the middle you cannot see with any hole. So this model, and beside this model, for the color, you see we have different kind of the color. For example, this one, the matte black, and this one, the anti-red copper, and other colors. Most popular color we can do for you. And also you can see some of them are making for the logo. So for logo we can also customize for you. What I want to say is that for the size and for the design and also for the color, we can customize for you. And some of these buttons are the finished button, but if you have your own assembly workshop in your country, we can also provide you the semi-finished product. So what I mean is that, for example, we can provide you the button cap, we can provide you the bottom part, so you can assemble them in your country, in your own workshop. So that's what I mean. And also, some of our customer will ask me, he said, even can you provide the raw material to me? Sure. So as you can see in our catalog, we can provide you different kind of the strip. So this strip is for making the buttons. For example, the stainless steel strip, and also the glass strip, and also the aluminum strip, all this strip, and we have different size for choosing. As you can see in my hand, they have a different size of the SS strip and used for making the stainless steel bottom. They have the different the width and also the thickness. We have many size. And also, besides the raw material, if you want to expand your production line, we can also provide you all these machines. All these machines is for making the buttons. So that means from the raw material and to the machines we can provide you. So my friend, if you are interested in our buttons and the machines for making buttons, please feel free to contact us. We can provide you one-stop service. Thank you.